Hi, welcome. It's been a while since we made a video, but today we will be talking about Linux printer support. As you may notice that Linux doesn't have a lot of support when it comes to printing, but as of late, the last couple of years, that has changed and now we do have a lot of printer support on Linux. So let's go ahead and start. Right here I have posted two sites. One is for the HPLIP open source driver for HP printers, and the other is Linux printers drivers. So you can find all kinds of drivers there, not only just for printers but also for your graphic cards as well. So let's go ahead and go over the HPLIP driver. As you can see here, it says something very interesting here. It says chances are your Linux system has the HPLP software installed. I wonder if I do. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so I'm gonna open my terminal, type in this command: dpkg -l hplip. As you can see here, you can see that I have the HP Linux printing and imaging system installed. I have this version number, which is 3.9.8 for Ubuntu. Let's go ahead and check this site out and make sure that my print driver is actually compatible with my HP printer. So what we're going to do here is just go to download link and click OK on it. Okay, you'll see these following steps. You see 1 through 4, and right here we're going to select our Linux distribution. In my case, mine is Ubuntu. Select the version 10.0.4, that's my version, and the type of printer that I have an Office Jet, so I'm going to select that. Right here we're going to select our model. As you can see here, they have a lot of support for a bunch of printers here. It just depends on the version of the driver that you are using. Okay, let's go ahead and try to find one. Here it is. Let's click next. As you can see here, it says you have selected Ubuntu 10.04 using the HP Office Jet 4500 all-in-one printer. It says Ubuntu 10.04 supplies version 3.10.2 and does support your printer. So you might ask for yourself, oh, well, how do I install my HP printer if I already have the driver? Well, the easiest way to do that is go to the Ubuntu Software Center and download what we call the HPLIP toolbox. So just enter on the search here HPLIP and go ahead and install the HPLIP toolbox. Once you have downloaded the toolbox and installed it, you can go to your applications, accessories, and you can see it here, HP Device Manager, and you can go ahead and actually install your printer from here. So all you would have to do is set up device. A little wizard pops up and you can choose your installation type. In this case we have USB, network, and wireless. Since I already have it installed, I'm not going to be going over that, but just the walkthrough is straightforward. You can't miss. And as you can see here, you see your devices once they are installed. Now we're going to go ahead and go over our other site. As you can see here, it has a bunch of listings. One of them which we just went over, which is the HP Linux imaging and printing system. We also have printer support from the good guys at Brother. You can open up their page and you will see their actual Linux printing support page. As you can see here, you can choose the print driver, scanner driver, PC fax driver, P-Touch QL print driver, and you can choose the different types of print drivers, LPR or cups. Let's go ahead and check out another one. Let's go again and hit Epson drivers. Epson also supports through the Avas's site the Linux driver. We scroll down and we can choose the type of printer you may have if you purchase an Epson printer. So as you can see here, Linux does have a lot of printing support now, and before you go and purchase a printer, just go ahead and do your homework and Google and make sure it is compatible. And those are two ways you can check if your printer is compatible with Linux. As you can see, the support keeps increasing for Linux. Linux is not a operating system that can be ignored for too long. I recommend people to try it out, experiment with it. You might like it, as I have, and go ahead and go happy printing. Thank you for watching.